Hey, what's up? So today I'm going to be talking about another ingredient and not so much my opinion on it, but actually like facts about it and facts you might not know, because I didn't know about it for a good while and I'm like, why did I never know about this? So we're going to be talking about hyaluronic acid. Let's do this. Hey, what's up? My name is Tara, and if you didn't know, I teach you guys how to make homemade skincare products, and I've recently been doing a series of videos where I sort of just give you guys like my opinion on ingredients, and typically they've been more kind of like my own personal experience with the ingredients, but today it's going to be more of a fact about an ingredient and a fact you may not know about hyaluronic acid. So specifically what the hyaluronic acid that I use is a hyaluronic acid with a molecular weight of 1-1.5 million Daltons. And the reason I use this one is because it creates a nice gelled consistency, and it's the best ingredient I have found to gel serums. So I do really want to experiment with a hyaluronic acid with a lower molecular weight, because as most of us know, the lower molecular weight hyaluronic acid has, the better it can penetrate the skin. So technically the one with 1-1.5 million Daltons is the one that will least penetrate the skin the least. So that's why I really want to experiment with lower molecular weight hyaluronic acid, so I can have like better penetration of hyaluronic acid. This one is still very hydrating. It just doesn't penetrate the skin as well as one with a lower molecular weight. So there's a background as to why I use hyaluronic acid, and specifically the kind I use and why I use it. So I'll link down below to the hyaluronic acid that I use, and on that website they carry like all the different types of hyaluronic acid, so you guys can just browse through all their other hyaluronic acids that they have. So the fun fact I want to share with you guys about hyaluronic acid is that it actually doesn't work for everybody. And it's not because it's their fault, it's actually their environment. So hyaluronic acid is an ingredient that draws moisture from the air into the skin. So if there's no moisture in the air, there's no moisture for it to grab onto. So naturally we have hyaluronic acid in our skin, and as we age and the more sun exposure we have, we'll have less hyaluronic acid. So that's why you can actually, go to, would it be a dermatologist? I don't know, like a plastic surgeon. I don't really know what it would be because I've never got it done, but you get hyaluronic acid pumped into your skin and it will, give you a more plump look and can diminish wrinkles temporarily. So there's actually a YouTuber, Nikki DeMar, and she suffered from like under eye bags and dark circles, and she got hyaluronic acid pumped in her under eyes to help with that. So it is a really good, more natural, friendly way to fix appearances on your face that you may not be very happy with. This can be controversial, but I mean, what's the difference from getting it injected into your skin to putting it on your skin? I don't really know. It's all up to you and what you really want to do. I don't know how I got on this rant. How did I get on this rant? Plastic surgery. That's not even plastic surgery. I don't know what to call it. Cosmetic surgery. There we go. Even though, is that really surgery? It's just a syringe. Like, is lip injection cosmetic surgery? I don't really know. I don't know. Okay. Anyways, so hyaluronic acid. So if you're in an environment that's really dry, like New Mexico, and you put hyaluronic acid in your skin, or on your skin, I mean, it's not gonna be able to draw moisture from anything. So it kind of will do this thing called peeling. It's spelled like pilling, but I don't know exactly if it's pronounced pilling or peeling. So it'll basically like peel off your skin and not do what it's supposed to do. So if you've ever bought a hyaluronic acid serum, massaged it into your skin. Oh, also, sorry to interrupt. You should always apply a hyaluronic acid serum while your skin is still damp, so it does have some moisture to draw to. I live in Ohio. It's very humid here, so there's tons of moisture in the air, way more than we need. So it does have moisture to draw from, but it's better to apply it onto wet skin so it does have moisture to draw from. So like I said, if you're in New Mexico and it's very dry, you may put a hyaluronic acid on your skin even when it's still damp, and it still might pill and have a horrible experience with it. So that may be why hyaluronic acid might not work for you. So if you do live in a dry environment and you really want to use hyaluronic acid, what I recommend is take a shower first. And you know how your shower is all humid after you take a shower? moisten your face, make sure it's really wet, like a good amount of wet, but not like too wet, but not very dry. And then take like 3 drops of your hyaluronic acid serum, rub it into your fingers, and then massage it onto your face. So you have the moisture on your skin and the moisture in the air to draw to, and sort of stay in there until it's dried on your skin. And then maybe it'll work that way. But yeah, so if you've tried a hyaluronic acid serum and that's what it does to you, try that technique I just explained. It might help. If it doesn't end up helping, it's probably just way too dry in your environment and you can't use hyaluronic acid. So most people do have great experiences with hyaluronic acid, but I do know there are a handful of people who just can't use it, and it's because of their environment. It's not because of their skin, it's the environment. So that's something to keep in mind if you are planning on using hyaluronic acid and never used it before. Just keep in mind, if it makes your skin pale, it's the environment, and try the technique that I mentioned and it might help. But yeah, so that's just a fun fact about hyaluronic acid that you guys may have not known, and yay, now you know. But yeah, so let me know if you're enjoying this series where I kind of just sit down and talk about an ingredient, whether it's like my opinion, my experience, a uncommon experience that nobody talks about, or just like a fun fact like this video here. Let me know if you enjoyed this. I enjoy doing it. But now that we reached the end of this video, it is time for my Patreon shoutouts. Essence of Nature over on Etsy, at Stardust Bath and Body over on Instagram, Nature's Farm Girl at naturesfarmgirl.com, Kennedy's Essentials at kennedysessentials.net, LettsBlend at letsblend.bigcartel.com, Creative with Love at creativewithlove.me, Trina's Jewelry Box over on Etsy, Wallflower Wildflower at wallflowerwildflower.com, Heartfelt Beauty here on YouTube if you want some more formulating videos, HSB Organics at hsborganics.com, Yellow Hippie Store over on Etsy, and IamBeautia at iambeautia.com. So go check out all my lovely patrons. I'll have them linked down in the description box. Also, if you guys didn't know, I do sell skincare products myself. My cat's trying to drink my water. No, don't drink my water. Anybody else's cats do that. But yeah, so I do sell skincare products myself over on Etsy. Go check it out. I'll have it linked up here and down in the description box so it's easy for you guys to find. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful week and hope to see you guys next time. Bye! I'm stuck in the motion.